Hello everyone, I'm Brad here, Airstream of Utah. I come to you today to show you this beautiful 2019 Airstream Atlas. If you are looking for luxury on the road and a way to travel in style and have everything you need contained in one vehicle, this is for you. Let's check it out. Starting outside, I have a storage compartment right here by the main cabin door. And I have this very generous cedar-lined storage compartment back here on the back, all while underneath my awning on my porch. Here on the curbside, everything back here is mainly for your power, water, sewer, etc. And then underneath your slide out right here, you have plenty of storage, as you can see. Leveling blocks, bags, whatever else you might need to put into here. So I'm sitting inside here, up in one of the big captain's chairs. Have this nice table which spans both seats. Have a nice table over there which spans the couch. And this living space with the slide out is quite large. Here's a view from the couch. Everybody's question is, how does the bed work? Here we go. So you have these straps here which hold your mattress and your sheets and covers in place. And then you have the bed made. You have nice reading lights, a little bit of shelf storage, a nice window here. All this is contained within the slide out. Very nice option, very easy to set up, doesn't require much effort, and you can do this anywhere. Pull over into a rest area, pull over on the side of the road, and you are secured in your own space for the evening. And just like that, I have my seating area back. Here in your galley, you have your trash can. Very spacious and quite deep sink here. A window to look out. Your 2-burner cooktop. You have a counter extension here. Drawer for your sponges and whatnot for the dish sink. A drawer and a cabinet at the bottom. You also have a nice, very spacious cabinet here above. Across from your galley area is your refrigerator and freezers at the bottom, and you have this convection oven microwave up top. You have this pantry here to store grocery items in, and a big, deep pantry closet here. Walking into your lavatory and closet space here, this is a very generous, very large space. I have a giant cedar-lined closet here, multiple drawers, have a very big shower, storage up above, fans, very big closet here and here, along with your sink and vanity mirror and storage underneath the sink. Amazing. This 2019 Airstream Atlas could be yours to take on your next adventure with you and your family in tow. Stop by and check it out in person. I promise it will impress. Have a great day, everyone.